उद्धव जी तो सुन लीजिए, ताल ठोक के कह रहा हूं मैं, आइए मैदान में, मैं आमने सामने बात करता हूं तो सुन लीजिए। जिस अदालत में मुझे बुलाना है उद्धव ठाकरे जी, आप बुला सकते हैं, मैं हाजिर हो जाऊंगा।
Few moments later.
क्या कर रहा है?
Please come out.
Guys are closing the door. With legal capacity, we are inside. Please. With legal capacity, we are inside. Yes.
Everything is live. Everything is live.
That's fine. We are in legal capacity. Inside.
Social distance.
Yes. We'll keep.
Maintain social distance.
You are closing the door.
Sign over here.
Don't worry.
Ma'am, please.
I'm sitting
You
here.
put your signature on this paper. Please, ma'am. Please acknowledge. Ma'am, please acknowledge the copy. Is it on me? Yeah. Is it for you? It's addressed to you. Please, ma'am. Please look here.
Keep a distance.
Better you come with us.
Keep a distance.
Better way
We
you
will
come
all
with
go.
us.
Wait.
Are you coming with
Keep a
us?
distance from me.
Are you coming with us peacefully?
Just one second.
Just told.
Just
Are you coming with us?
This is going to.
Please, what I am asking, are you coming with us?
Please wait. I am DYSP Praveen Patil. Listen. I am not finished. Listen. I am DYSP Praveen Patil from Raigad Police. I am here to arrest you in CR number 59 of 2018 under section 306 34 IPC.
Why did you
You have to cooperate me. You have to cooperate with me.
Why did you physically assault?
Please come.
You physically assaulted by nobody.
Ajay, they have physically assaulted you.
Yes.
He's physically assaulted.
They need to cooperate. We are going to arrest him.
They're physically
Someone
We are
assaulted.
taking him to Raigad, Alibag.
They physically assaulted me.
They're physically assaulted.
ठीक है चल
They physically assaulted me. I need to make some arrangements.
चल घर
I need to make some arrangements. Shammo, I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I am living in the family. I need to make some arrangements. White collar. I am
handing outside your residence.
You have physically assaulted me. I have some problems.
No physically assaulted.
You have physically assaulted me.
Yeah.
And I need to make arrangements with my family. So please wait outside. I'll come.
No. You are under arrest right now. We have done ample time.
No, you don't physically assault me.
चलो खाने का
Supreme Court official. Yes, you just
Don't physically assault me. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son.
Nobody has touched your son.
You have touched my son. You assaulted me. You have physically assaulted me. You cannot physically. I'm telling you, you are physically assaulting me. Assaulting my family. Please cooperate. Sachin, if you do this, you are
you just put
You
it in
have my
your
bed and beaten me in my house.
I need a pen
No,
to sign.
who is this man? Why is he physically assaulted me? Why is he bringing me in the house in the morning? I am the editor-in-chief of Republic TV. You are physically assaulting me. Is this correct? Sachin, you tell me why you are physically assaulting me. I will not accept physical assault.
सर आप बैठिए
I will not accept. I will cooperate but not physical assault.
बैठिए आराम से शांति से मैं बात करता हूँ
Not physical assault. No. You have no. What happened?
सर जी आप बैठिए मैं करता हूँ बात करता हूँ सर मैं चेयरमैन हूँ बिल्डिंग का मुझे अभी पता है आप मुझे बता देते मैं थोड़ा
I need to make arrangements for elderly people.
सर जी आप बैठिए मैं
There
करवा
are some elderly
आप
people
बैठिए
in the family. I need to make some arrangements. I think you have to allow.
सर देखिए
Not like this. Not physically assaulting
सर
me
आप
inside my
बैठिए
house.
प्लीज मैं बात करता हूँ सर प्लीज
If you have physically assaulted me inside my house, Shammo, do not sign these papers. They are trying to force you to do it. You cannot physically. They cannot physically assault me inside my house.
Leave it.
Shamo,
Okay, no problem.
they have physically assaulted me inside my house.
No problem.
I will seek the advice of my lawyers.
Cooperate कीजिए.
I will cooperate.
At police station we will.
No, I will.
No, at police station you will. At police
One
station
second.
cooperate कीजिए.
Listen to me, Sachin. Sit down first of all. and Maintain
आप
social.
बैठिए, आप सब बैठिए ना प्लीज.
Maintain social distancing and sit around.
Ma'am, you know,
This is my house. Please maintain social distancing.
This is yours. You are in our custody.
Let me talk to Arnav once.
You can't physically assault me.
Cooperate कीजिए.
I have to make arrangements for my family members before leaving.
वो बहुत arrangement जो है. हम arrangement कर देंगे.
I will make arrangements. You can't. I have to make arrangements. I have elderly parents. I have to make arrangements for their treatment. They're not well.
We will.
My hand is injured.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to
Oh,
go to
you
the
are the
hospital.
encounter cop. Oh,
You're Sachin Vaze.
You are the Sadhvi Pragya beater, no?
Shamo.
Yes. Okay.
You are Sachin Vaze. Sachin, listen. Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. No, you sit down. We will have to make some arrangements.
Please cooperate to do it. It's your right to do it. Please do it.
Sachin. Yeah, so why don't you leave now? Residents can make the arrangements.
You are in our custody now.
No, but I can't do this while you are sitting here.
Arnav, you are in our custody.
There are 20
And you
people in
are
my house.
no, yes. By doing this, you are making problem to yourself.
No.
Please don't.
Don't worry.
have a
We are
physically
ready for
assaulted me,
any
Sachin.
problem. Don't
Whosoever
worry.
assaulted,
Don't
Shamo,
We will take care.
you have physically assaulted me.
I have not
Sachin.
assaulted.
Physically
You have.
assaulted.
Arey, when?
Sachin, you and he have.
No, this thing I was not.
This physical assault chain, which has
I came
happened.
later.
I just want to tell you, viewers,
I came
these
later.
are the people here. Shamo, is this live?
Arnav ji, आप
No.
These are the people, they have physically
we have to
assaulted
use
me.
force now. We have to use force now. If you do like this, please don't do that.
प्लीज कोऑपरेट
Please don't do
कीजिए.
that.
लीगल एक्शन है.
Then we will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. आप जो
Yes.
करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल
Yes.
दीजिए. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. लेकिन
Yes.
अभी आपको
Shamo.
हमारे साथ चलना
You
पड़ेगा.
were assaulted. no?
Shamo, they've assaulted
Yes.
us.
I have got that all live. That's gone live. That assault.
Great.
And this person assaulted me, I don't know his name.
आप चलिए.
Oh, आपका तो ये भी नहीं है. ये this is
Shamo, 1 second.
this is it. Okay, guys, everybody see this all over India. This is the man. He doesn't have a tag.
Shamo,
He doesn't have a tag. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer. Guys.
Shamo, 1 second. These people are physical. I just want to give a report before we Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कोऑपरेट
Everything will be all right.
अर्नब जी,
These people have entered my house and
आप
physically
लीगल
assaulted
एक्शन
me
के लिए
today.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin
gentleman,
Vaze,
this gentleman.
who has entered my house illegally, have physically assaulted
Illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that entire
Why
incident.
he physically assaulted me? I want to file a case.
उसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन
He has
लेंगे.
physically
आपको
assaulted
चलना
me.
पड़ेगा. वो हम लीगल एक्शन
He
लेंगे.
has physically. I want action against Sachin Vaze and this person, Praveen Patil.
Where is that Sachin Vaze?
Who physically
Where
assaulted
is
me.
he escaped?
Who physically
There he is.
assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा.
No, physical assault is unacceptable and I have been, it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down, I'll make arrangements. You please go down, I'll make arrangements.
You will use force. We would like to see you use force. Use force, please.
You use force, but I need
Use
to make
force.
arrangements.
You are threatening, no?
If you say that you're going to use force,
Please,
it will be shown to the
we will show it
We are
live.
requesting you, please cooperate.
No, you
with police.
assaulted, no? You assaulted. You assaulted.
From last 2 hours, I am requesting you now, please cooperate with us.
Well, you
I mean, I'm requesting you very calmly. Very calmly.
As per your request,
Now
you are standing
put his
since
tag.
last 2
Now
hours.
put his
You have
tag.
since last 2 hours, I am standing there.
You have physically assaulted me, I'm injured. I now need to take medical advice and come. Because of your physical assault, I am feeling unwell. So I'll take medical advice and come.
वो भी मिलेगा.
नहीं,
Physically assaulted me. I need
मेडिकल असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लीगल एड असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ
सचिन जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है इसलिए मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेल अवेयर सिटीजन इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड मेडिकल एडवाइस बिफोर लीविंग बिकॉज आफ्टर द फिजिकल असॉल्ट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा. कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
I need
we would like to record the
I need to
physical
make
assault.
arrangements for my family members.
Please.
Shamo, just record this. I don't want to talk.
Please, yeah, suggestion, yeah.
I want to talk. I want to talk to my family before leaving. Will you leave the room? Give me privacy to speak to my family. I want to speak to my family.
Please, please, we are requesting you, please. Please, don't.
I need to make a
प्लीज आप लोगों को तबीयत खराब लग रहा है
We are requesting, please follow.
प्लीज मैम
There will be separate charge on me.
No, 1 second. You don't physically assault.
I was not there.
You were there. No, you
No.
Arnav,
Don't
please,
talk, please.
don't physically assault.
No one has physically assaulted you. You are
First of all, don't surround me like this.
you are in our custody.
अभी चलिए चलो प्लीज
You are no one to dictate
वी आर
anything.
रिक्वेस्टेड
You are in our custody.
Don't shout at me.
You are in our custody. You are in
You
police
physically
custody.
assaulted me this
I have
morning.
not. I have not.
What is the charge?
Sorry?
What is the charge?
We will tell you. We will give in writing.
Already you have copied to your wife.
You have already given
Please ask her.
written.
Please ask her.
Return.
No, I have not got anything.
She found the paper.
I couldn't read. You took it away. I couldn't read. You took it away.
Serial number.
अर्नब जी चलिए
Once again, I will tell you. Once again, I will tell you. Is case number
Yeah,
69 of 2018 under section 306 34 IPC about Raigad police. Come on.
That this is closed.
No close, not
You
close.
can open.
It's open.
You have been arrested. You are arrested.
You are arrested by Raigad police. Come on.
You have been arrested by Raigad police.
चलिए प्लीज चलिए
Chaliye. Uthar. Yeah.
You are not feeling well. You will not
Che, they've assaulted me. Shamo, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife.
Dalo, उचला आता.
मोबाईल
उचला.
मोबाईल द्या त्याच्याकडे.
उचला. त्याला दिसू दे.
Shamo, record this.
उचला.
Shamo, record this.
दरवाजाच्या बाहेर आम्ही एक तास उभे होतो ना मॅडम. मग एक तास आम्ही बाहेर उभे होतो ना. मग ही प्रॉपर गोष्ट आहे का? मी पोलिसांना बाहेर एक तास उभं करून ठेवलंय आणि तुम्ही चुकीच्या बातम्या स्प्रेड करताय.
माझ्याबरोबर काही फायदा नाही.
नहीं, तुम्ही त्याला त्रास देता. आम्ही रिक्वेस्ट करतो.
चला.
चलो, अर्नब जी चलिए प्लीज.
चलो आगे प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज
चलो. Enough.
कम you come by your own हम टच नहीं करते
But I need to consult my doctor.
Yes. Every all medical help will be given.
you will get everything
You will get everything.
advocate
Yes, everything you will get.
Che, Shamo,
चलो.
just call the doctor.
we have
चलो. चल भाई उचला.
Shamo, I need to speak to my wife.
चलो. उचला.
Sachin, just stay away from me. I need to speak to my wife.
No.
I
You
need
got
to
too
speak
much.
to my wife.
Yeah, you are creating trouble for yourself.
I need to speak to my wife.
Yes. Exactly.
Shamo, Che, don't push my son.